Hey guys, thank you for watching another video. So what we got here today is my Marvel Legends rescue suit from Pepper Spot, the Mark 49. Like I was talking to you in the previous video before, there's no movement here in the shoulder, so that's very bad, and no limited movement in the foot. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna heat it up, try to see if it works and the movement improves. That's what I searched online, and that's the only thing I was able to really acquire. Is you have to heat it up and see if the movement improves. Now I'm gonna have to take everything apart and see how it goes. So let's see how this goes, guys. Well, hey guys, so pretty much after heating up the joints of the toy and everything, I just make it go up and down, and pretty much the mobility has improved by 60%. It's still a little stiff, but it's very good compared to what it was before, and it goes all the way up and all the way down, and I'm able to just do this. So pretty much I'm very glad about how this has went. The foot actually improved too, and look at this, guys. I can't even take it apart now. I can actually say I'm very happy about it, and I'm actually gonna be able to do what I needed to be done. So thank you for watching, guys. I really appreciate, and I'm just gonna do a little extra work on this so I can make it more of a better figure, and I'll show you guys how it's gonna end up looking. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye.